Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Under the circumstances, it is only natural, sir, that we should have some measure by which the university education can be coordinated into something which will cater for national unity and for national recovery in the sphere of education. Stop. But unfortunately, this bill, with all the fine things that the mover described yesterday, does not attempt to do anything. Stop. For instance, it has gone far beyond the terms of reference, if I may say so, of the University Education Commission with regard to the constitution of a University Grants Commission. Stop. From the very little, it is obvious that the University Grants Commission will deal with the allocation of funds that will be permitted by Parliament for educational purposes. Stop. That is how it is done in other countries. In England, for instance, the British Parliament makes a grant and the University Commission distributes it among the 19 universities. Stop. Here, this is not a compulsory measure. This is not an obligatory measure. Stanza. Now, this is not the way to reorganize education even at the university level. Stop. Sir, I quite agree that universities should maintain their autonomy and they should be independent bodies, and their purpose in our society is that of, say, the Supreme Court or the independent judiciary in the sphere of individual rights, that is, they stand for academic freedom. Stop. All these things are essential for a university organization, and all these things can be done by better coordination and better control by the central government. Stanza. But the question is, does this bill as it has been presented to us now make an attempt for, or does it even make provision for attempting these things? Stop. My humble opinion, sir, is that it does not. Stop. To begin with, sir, it has gone far beyond, as I said, the duties imposed on the University Grants Commission by the University Education Commission itself. Stop. Secondly, it has failed to understand the reasons why there is a fall in the standards of education and the reasons why there should be a coordination of efforts and for determining the standards of teaching and examinations in our universities. Stop. Sir, the standards of teaching and examinations can be maintained only by the university itself. Stop. It is not legislation that determines the standards of a university. Stop. It is not the inspecting bodies that determine the standards of a university. Stop. The standards of a university are determined by the teaching staff. Full stop. Over.